The ROVSUN 11 pounds washer and dryer combo is designed for convenience with its easy-to-use operation panel, allowing you to quickly set wash and spin timers for efficient laundry cycles. This machine features a durable plastic body that prevents rust, and its transparent tub window lets you monitor your clothes while the stainless steel cylinder enhances washing quality. With a compact capacity of 11 pounds, it is perfect for smaller loads, making it ideal for washing t-shirts, baby clothes, and towels with its powerful 1,300 revolutions per minute motor. The washer's portable and lightweight design, weighing around 22 pounds, means it requires no installation and can be easily moved and stored in small spaces like apartments or RVs. Its eco-friendly design uses less water and detergent, saving both money and energy while operating at a reasonable noise level that is not disruptive. ROVSUN offers a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer care, ensuring peace of mind and support for any issues that may arise with the machine.